We're going to try and solve the housing crisis, and in this video I'll show you a little bit of the first step. Nest is an Australian technology company en route for the world. Our initial focus is on residential homes, where we want to increase productivity within maintenance, renovation, installation and repairs. So more jobs get done quicker with less hassle. We depend on our tradies, they keep a roof over our head. But we get a trust problem between homeowners and tradies.
They're always late and I feel like they're trying to scam me.
Yeah, look mate, I went to trade school, not Hogwarts.
And the current system to get jobs done is a mess. Nest is a two-sided marketplace where homeowners can post their jobs and tradies can place a bid and add any expected materials and caveats, all with their thumbs while they're sitting on the dunny for free. Homeowners can review the bids, look at the real reviews of each tradie and choose who gets the job. They both agree on a clear statement of work. And tradies can also leave reviews for homeowners. But as we all know, things don't always go as planned, and when the inevitable happens...
Yeah, look, we're going to need a bigger wine cabinet, like a lot bigger.
Mate, this worrying's from the days when tradies showed up on horseback.
We don't rely on a he said, she said system that leaves nasty surprises on the invoice. Instead, either party can submit a change request, all in a few seconds with your thumbs, to be reviewed or adjusted by the other party. This enables better communication, transparency, and less disputes. And for the more rugged tradies that want to prey on homeowners, lowballing jobs and then adjusting the invoice, the system will give you a bid accuracy score. You right there, mate? Showing homeowners how well they can trust the quoted price. That gives tradies an actual incentive to finish the job early and under budget where possible, because that would increase their bid accuracy score and thus get them more jobs. That means the guys who want to show up on time, do a good job and charge fairly will have a real opportunity to make back. And it means subbies will have a more reliable way to get paid without worrying about being screwed over. Nest will make sure everyone's properly insured, compliant, and keep the government happy and off your back. It'll also provide another pathway for apprentices to run their own business, earning their own freedom. Because when it comes to running a business, freedom ain't free. It comes with a lot of bullshit, and that's precisely the problem we want to solve. And of course, it'll also make a new pathway for new entrants to the field so they can get to work without the extra pressure that comes along with it.
So how does that constitute the first step towards solving the housing crisis?
By increasing the productivity of a finite workforce. It's madness that we've got tradies out looking for work at a time when we've apparently got a labour shortage. And it is madness that sole traders spend up to 40% of their billable hours doing admin work like marketing, compliance and accounting. We've come a long way with the product, but there's a lot more work to do. And there's a lot of stuff we don't know, but maybe you do. So how can you help? Tell your mates about this video, leave a comment, it all helps. And if you want to roll up your sleeves, or maybe you got some advice for us, drop your email on our website. You'll get early access to the app and a couple of other perks. Thanks for watching.